The transformative power of our words, a call to faithful declaration. Matthew 12:34-37. In Matthew 12 verses 34 to 37, we are confronted with the profound truth that words hold unparalleled power. Just as God spoke the universe into existence, our words have the ability to shape our reality and influence the world around us. Consider Hebrews 11 verse 3, where we are reminded that God created the heavens and the earth through His spoken word. This underscores the immense creative force inherent in words. Our speech, when infused with faith, becomes a conduit for divine manifestation, releasing either life or death, as Proverbs 18 verse 21 attests. Indeed, there is no such thing as an idle word. Every utterance carries weight and consequence, capable of either edifying or tearing down. As believers, we must recognize the potency of our speech and wield it with intentionality. Our words can serve as a powerful weapon against the schemes of the enemy, or they can ensnare us in negativity and defeat, as Proverbs 6 verse 2 warns. The faith that astonished Jesus was rooted in the authority of the spoken word. In Matthew 8 verses 8 and 10, we witness individuals who believed in the transformative power of their words, aligning them with God's truth and experiencing miraculous results. Likewise, we are called to have faith in the authority of our speech, speaking forth words that align with God's promises and bring about positive change. It is crucial to guard our tongues against doubt and negativity, recognizing that our words have the power to shape our reality. As we speak words of faith and alignment with God's word, we activate the divine potential within us and unleash the power of God to work in our lives. Jesus urged us to speak directly to the mountains in our lives, exercising the authority given to us as believers. Instead of merely bringing our problems to God in prayer, let us follow Jesus' example and command obstacles to be removed in His name.